Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about the prism placed with their axis perpendicular to VP in three different positions. Okay, so let's here to understand here. I have to proceed the pentagon. Okay, so the pentagonal prism I have to proceed. The pentagon prism is placing in a different conditions. Okay, the main condition is axis perpendicular to VP, but the orientation of the solid initially placing like a rectangular face is parallel to HP and the long edge on HP and the longer edge on HP. Okay, so these are the cases we discussing about in this class. Okay, so then we have to move for this case. First of all, you have to construct the XY line. That is a very much important. Okay, so once you have to construct the XY line, after completing the XY line, you have to give the name of vertical plane and the horizontal plane. Okay, so there here they give the base value. The first of all, they give the mention the base value. After that, the base value is like I take as a 25 mm. Okay, 25 millimeter, and the height of the prism I have to take as a 70 millimeter. Okay, so these are the case. These are the parameter for numbers I have to take to proceed in the pentagonal prism. Okay, so first of all, I have to construct in the 25 mm length of the face. How to construct this? That is the conditions we have to given for the position of the object. Okay, position of the solid. Okay, so what is the condition here is the rectangular face is rectangular face on HP. So there is a five rectangular faces are there in pentagonal prism. Okay, so that is like A E dash. Here I can take as name A E dash and E D dash, D C dash, and C D B dash, B dash A dash. These are the five rectangular face. You take any one rectangular face is parallel to that is face on HP. Okay, so that you have to take down that is E dash D dash. Okay, E dash D dash is parallel to HP. So what is the line length we have to mention like the 25. Okay, so I have to take as a 25 mm. Then interior angle we know that that is 108. Okay, of the pentagon. So I have to mark it as a 108 on the both side. Okay, then you have to take the radius of the 25 mm. You cut the arc from A dash and C dash. Okay, so after that you have to give the name for that. Okay, whenever you are proceeding the pentagon, there is a two names are there. So I have to take A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash. Is take as a it's like a top of the prism, and the base I have to take A1 dash, B1 dash, D1, C1 dash, D1 dash, and E1 dash. Here I have to take. Okay, so I have to represent the top. I not mention in open bracket. If a prism base is placed on the bottom side, is I have to take a closed bracket. If you're mentioning closed bracket, the prism is there in a base. Okay, that is a base and top. Okay, so then you have to consider the top front view of the given solid. Okay, once you have to complete, you have to project the all the corners. Here I have to represent the green color. So you have to project the line like this. You take the approximate length, is not an accurate length. Okay, take the approximate length. Okay, that is a three lengths are coinciding. That is a base length of the solid. Okay, so the A1 C1 is a base length of the solid. After that, what is the height value is mentioned is like a 70 mm. So this value I have to take a 70 mm. Okay, so this value I take as a 70 mm. Then I have to for proceeding for that joining the all the corners. Okay, it's like a A1 dash is coming like A, and a E1 dash is coming on E1, D1 dash is coming D1, C1 dash is coming C1, B1 dash is coming B1. Don't considering the axis for only for the prism category is quite complicated. Okay, then you have to construct the closed rectangular box. After that, you joining the all the lines, you're getting like A, E, B, D, C. So this is the conditions for only for the rectangular face of the prism is based on the HP. That is the conditions. Okay. You take any rectangular face. There are five rectangular face. You take any one rectangular face and you have to take the numbers for that. Okay, you have to proceed into it. Okay. So then after completing this one, you have to mention the dimension part. The dimension part for diagram is very important for this is value is 25 mm. I have to take so that 25 mm you have to mention like this. The 70 mm mentioned like this. Okay. So these are the data given to proceeding for the different condition. So the main condition is that is axis perpendicular to uh, perpendicular to VP, then the axis perpendicular to VP, then the condition of the position of the solid is rectangular face is face parallel on the HP. So that these are the main cases we'll be discussing for in this class. Thank you.